What are you going in? Everybody talk about, yo, Godfather, dance, mash up dance, mash up dance, mash up. Them not doing it, the dance hall people. Yo, we want to tell you why dance hall mash up. On the turn dance hall in a freak show. Freak show. Dance hall, we have all roots reggae music. Because without roots, no tree can grow. Who don't want to learn about dancehall? Let me tell you how dancehall is. Dancehall is real revolutionary reggae music play. Right? Them songs they can't play on radio. So what them do? Them build sound system and play it in the dancehall. Then here what go on. Uno come in at the dancehall, come on, mash up the dancehall and go out with the freakiness. Uno talk about, uno suck this, and girl all a dance pan them head and a broke all them neck and a did a dancehall. What kind of dancing that? No. Uno not for do them thing that dancehall. Uno for bring back all, here I come with love and not hatred. All them songs that we play back in the dancehall. What happened to uno? Yo, let me tell you something. If you want dancehall fix up, on play some foundation tune, and that's where the slack this. Because when you have in a bedroom, you not bring a dancehall. And you not talk about dancehall mashup. Here Wagwan. Daddy you right now like Wagwan a dancehall. You hear me? King Stitch no like Wagwan a dancehall. Yeah? Big youth no like Wagwan a dancehall. A whole heap of big people no like Wagwan a dancehall. So you expect them to come a dancehall? Yo, big people no want come a dancehall. Come see man a sex or girl in a dance and all them thing there. Big people no want come a dancehall and see girl a spin pan head and broke them neck. And then all of a sudden the ambulance a come and a dance in that. On learn from that.